Let's enjoy a short and simple English story. One cold afternoon, Anna was walking home alone. The wind felt chilly, and the streets were quiet. Then, suddenly, she heard a soft little sound nearby. Near the sidewalk, a tiny puppy was shivering in the cold. It looked scared, hungry, and completely lost. Anna gently knelt down beside the puppy. "Hey, are you okay?" she whispered softly. She couldn't leave it there alone. So Anna carefully took the puppy home. She gave it warm food, a soft blanket, and a safe place to rest. Little by little, the puppy started wagging its tail again. But Anna knew someone was probably missing it. So she made posters and put them around the neighborhood. A few days later, someone knocked on her door. It was the puppy's owner. The puppy jumped happily the moment it saw them. The owner smiled with relief and thanked Anna for her kindness. Anna smiled softly too. She felt a little sad to say goodbye, but happy that the puppy was finally home. That day, Anna learned something important. A small act of kindness can mean the world to someone in need. And that was today's little story.